Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm here to talk about Facebook bonus program. Let's talk about Facebook. Let's talk about making money on Facebook. As you can see, Facebook has a new program where you can earn money. See here, say new, earn for your Facebook post. That's anything you post, you earn money from it. And it is called, as you can see on this banner, on this poster, on the picture, on the image, it's called performance bonus. And this program is available for many countries to make money. And as you can see in this image here, you see some people make $9,000, $10,000 a month. Some people make even more. Imagine you making that much extra income a month. And some people even have it as their full-time job. Oh well, let's talk about Facebook bonus program. Have you ever wondered how many followers you need to unlock this opportunity of Facebook? I guess you would think it's 10,000 followers. No, let me shock you. It's just 5,000 followers and how active you are on Facebook. Well, just so you know, like imagine a situation where you have been posting on Facebook for years, guys, and not getting anything. Instead, you spend money for internet, you spend money for data, but now things have changed. Things have changed in a way that anything you post, you get paid, you make money. That money that you can in turn take and pay for data, take and pay for your internet without feeling it. Doesn't that sound awesome? Of course it's awesome. Yeah. So let's dive right away. Let me walk you through a detailed explanation on how the program works. Facebook bonus program is an initiative by Facebook for creators to make money by creating engaging content. And this program is an invitation-only program, which means Facebook must send you an invitation before you can join, where creators can earn based on performance of their content. That is, how your content is being reacted to, how much people comment, how much people share, and how much people react to your post, to anything that you post. And that's how much you get paid. That's how much you get paid. Yeah, as I said, I guess you've ever wondered how many followers, if at all you've heard about this program, how many followers you need to unlock monetization on Facebook. This program is different from monetization. With Facebook bonus program, you need just 5k followers to start earning. It's different from the monetization where you need 10,000 followers to start earning. Well, if you have never heard about this program called Facebook monetization, well, you're in the right place. Imagine a situation where you have been posting on your Facebook for years, guys, and not getting any benefit from it. Instead, you spend money for internet, data, and you don't have any return at the end of the month. And this program is an invitation only program. That is, if Facebook sees how active you are on Facebook, posting things, posting meme, posting pictures, Facebook will send you an invitation that, hey, we see how active you are on Facebook. We are inviting you to come and join us to start earning money on anything you post. Which means Facebook must send you invitation before you join, where creators can earn money based on the performance of their content. So you earn money based on the performance of your content. Like when you post something, how many people comment, how many people react. The more people comment, the more people react, the more people share that post, the more money you make. So with this program, creators can sign up for multiple bonus programs. Creators can sign up for multiple bonus programs to maximize their payouts if they meet the relevant requirements. So if you meet the relevant requirement, there are multiple bonus programs you can sign up where you can make a lot of money. People make a lot of money, thousands of dollars a month. And then also tracking and best practices. Creators can track their earnings. You can track your earnings and content performance via insights and learn best practices to set themselves up for success. So there are ways that you can track yourself to see if you are making good content. You can see the content, the performance, like how much you earn per post, per content, to know if this content you posted was the right content or not, and to see how much progress you are making. Yeah. And Facebook says to participate in this program, creators must ensure their content complies with the platform's policy. You know, Facebook has some policies that you must comply with in order to start making money. And creators should focus on content that reaches and engages a wide audience. That is the secret right here. The content you post to make money must be content that will cause people to react, cause people to comment, and cause people to be like, this is a funny meme, let me share, and cause people to react. And the more they react, the more they comment or they share your content, the more you make money from it. And another Facebook said, remember to always verify the authenticity of any invitation to the program to avoid scams. Yeah, we also have Facebook scammers. So you have to be careful to make sure that Facebook, the invitation you get from Facebook is coming from Facebook. The invitation you get is coming from Facebook and not scammers. And then another one, Facebook said authentic invitation will come from official Facebook channels and will not ask for personal information like Facebook password. Just so you know, when Facebook send you the information, Facebook will not ask for password, will not ask for your personal information. They'll just send you in the invitation, you accept it, and you go from there, guys. So what are you waiting for? This is an opportunity to start making money. Why not join and start making money? Oh yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you are a returning subscriber to my channel, I appreciate you. Thank you so much. If you are just passing by and think the program is important for you, why not just listen to it and you can benefit from it? You must not subscribe. It's your choice to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. It's an era where we all have to join to make money. Why? Don't be left out. Join Facebook. If you have more questions, just drop your comments and I'll answer the questions for you, or make a video on it so for a detailed understanding.